On the beautiful Mediterranean island of Zakynthos stood a Greek villa waiting to be loved.
Its owners had grown old and could no longer take care of it.
This is the story of how it is slowly being brought back to life.
This is Saving Sweet William. Side of the door.
I've got an idea, but
you know what I mean? Like, we don't know what's in there or not in there.
no.
Hello, and welcome back to Saving Sweet William. It's Key Collection Day here in Greece. Let's rejoin Chris and Joe as they begin to explore their new villa and find out what's been left behind.
Go.
Oh.
No. That's it. Double that's it. Yeah, no, do it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, come, let's go. Well, the light bulb's on, and that's probably what I do. Welcome to our kitchen.
It was really exciting to finally get the door open, which was stuck. Couldn't wait to get in the kitchen, could we?
Happy to see that they left the washing machine, which was pretty new.
Yeah, the washing machine was great.
Cooker worked.
Cooker worked.
Fridge worked, although the fridge is really old.
Fridge freezer needs replacing, but it's doing us a turn for now.
Whole cupboard full of glasses, cupboards full of plates, knives full of... drawers full of knives.
Yeah, there was some nice unopened bottles of alcohol,
Oh,
which
yeah,
I thought was a
those.
real touch. Yeah, there was some ouzo, which you were quite happy to have a look
There
at.
was some ouzo.
There was some ouzo.
Not anymore. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they even left alcohol.
Okay. Kitchen. Looks pretty much the same as when we visited. Living room. Yeah, I said they were gonna. Doesn't even feel that hot, which is nice. One of the room bedrooms. Stereo area. Oh god, they literally just leave it.
This is the bedroom.
It's a pretty good size. All of the bedrooms are roughly the same size. They all had a wardrobe, a double bed, and a chest of drawers in them, which we were quite happy to see.
Yeah.
Lots of clothes left in them. Linen.
It was tons of linen. The back spare bedroom, every single drawer was stuffed to the rafters with linen. Towels, pillowcases, tablecloths, tons of it. Really nice quality, some of it as well.
So,
It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could
double
dance
bed,
with you beneath the stars, 'cause when
wardrobe,
I wanna chill
and chest.
with you, everything stops
They're not going to be mahogany for much longer.
when close to you. It's what I'm
Got aircon in this room. Happy days.
I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go.
Double bedroom. No aircon in this one, but it's quite shady. Not a fan. Oh, all for a couple. All for a couple. Brightening up. It's a good space. There's a massive wardrobe and a double bed in it. Cobweb, didn't it? Oh, well.
There's a big one there.
Alright, let's dig deeper in a bit.
Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm
Third bedroom.
right now.
So they've all got double beds in them at the moment. One there.
I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way
Big pipe here, look.
nothing matters when we're way out here.
Okay, we'll get all that out. All the rooms are pretty much the same size then, right? And then finally, luxurious bathroom. Oh, we do have water, apparently. Yay! Welcome on board. Oh, we've got some sun cream back. Kind of vent.
It was great to have the outside space. We were really looking forward to using the veranda. The garden needed a lot of work. There was a lot of clearing, but I was really excited about getting stuck in.
It was a real mess, but they left us some nice garden furniture actually, didn't they?
They did.
They left us a swinging chair, which we're still in the process of trying to refurbish.
Yes.
Lots of deck chairs, tables, parasols that have been eaten by rodents.
Some holy parasols.
So this is all the outdoor space, which was one of the things that attracted us to it, even though we didn't really want to do, as you can see,
Tons of work.
that much work. We're quite happy that it's there now, right?
We fell in love with it. We did.
There's a nice fig tree in the garden, which has been cut back a bit, so hopefully that's going to produce lots of figs this year. And then
Next door's dog. Next
pet.
door's dog comes to say hi.
beautiful little, what's the dog?
Jack Russell.
Jack Russell, called Giselle. She's really, really friendly, isn't she?
She's
really
great.
cute.
Yeah. And leaving our dog behind when we go, it makes me feel really sad. So it's nice. We have a temporary dog that comes and says hi, so that makes me feel good.
Bit of a ditch here. Ditch. Big ditch. Okay. Not bad entrance to the house, is it? Someone's left the shed open. Someone's left the shed open. Hello? Right. Hello? 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 You're a very happy dog, aren't you? Right.
After a long day, we went to Kalamaki Beach.
They've got lots of turtles nesting on the beach at that time of year. Then there's all these wooden frames built around where they've found turtle nests.
We spent the evening with a nice traditional tuna salad.
Yeah, glamorous first evening in the villa, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Eating tuna out of a tin. Well, not quite out of a tin.
On a plate.
A little dinner.
A little dinner.
If you enjoyed our show, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.